Imagine a day filled with energy, vitality, and a sense of well-being that lasts from the moment you awake until your head hits the pillow at night. Is this your everyday reality, or does it seem more like an elusive dream? The good news is, it's not only possible, but also within your reach to lead a healthy lifestyle that promotes this sense of well-being. So how do you go about this? Here are some practical tips and advice to guide you on the path to health and wellness. Firstly, let's talk about the importance of physical activity. Exercise isn't just about losing weight or building muscle. It's about keeping your body in optimum condition. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. This could be anything from a brisk walk to a spin class or even gardening. The key is to find something you enjoy, so it becomes a part of your routine rather than a chore. Equally critical is sleep. In this fast-paced world, sleep often gets sacrificed, but it's essential for good health. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. A well-rested body is better equipped to deal with stress, and it also aids in weight management. So create a sleep-friendly environment and establish a regular sleep schedule to ensure you get the rest you need. Hydration is another cornerstone of a healthy lifestyle. Your body needs water to function correctly, and staying hydrated can help manage weight, improve skin complexion, and even boost energy levels. So make it a habit to drink at least 8 glasses of water each day, and remember, if you're active or it's a hot day, you may need more. Now, let's talk about nutrition. Food is the fuel that powers your body, so it's essential to choose wisely. Opt for a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Limit processed foods, sugars, and saturated fats. Remember, it's not about depriving yourself, but rather about making healthier choices. In summary, leading a healthy lifestyle involves regular exercise, adequate sleep, staying hydrated, and eating a balanced diet. But it's also about balance. Don't beat yourself up if you miss a workout or indulge in your favorite treat now and then. The goal is overall wellness, not perfection. So take these tips to heart, make small, manageable changes, and before you know it, you'll be on your way to a healthier, happier you. Achieving a healthy lifestyle might seem challenging, but remember, every journey begins with a single step. So why not take that step today? After all, your health is the greatest investment you'll ever make. And on that note, we wrap up today's discussion on leading a healthy lifestyle. Here's to your health and happiness. Keep moving, keep striving, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself. Until next time, take care and stay healthy.